Looking for the perfect guitar for beginners? Meet the Heartstring 38-inch low-action acoustic guitar, designed for kids, adults, and students who want to start their musical journey. This 38-inch acoustic guitar is the ideal choice for music lovers and aspiring musicians. Whether you're playing at home, in class, or on stage, this guitar is built for smooth performance. Low-action design. Say goodbye to finger strain. With its low-action setup, pressing the strings feels effortless, making it a dream for beginners. High-quality copper strings. These durable strings produce rich and stable sound, allowing you to play with confidence. Style meets sound. With a glossy finish and multiple vibrant colors, this guitar doesn't just sound great, it looks elegant and stylish too. The perfect gift. Looking for a birthday or Christmas gift? The Heartstring guitar makes a wonderful surprise for family and friends. Choose from different packages. Whether you want the basic set or one with extra accessories, we've got the perfect bundle for you. Worry-free purchase. As a trusted local seller in the Philippines, we offer fast delivery and a 3-month warranty for your peace of mind. Ready to start playing? Click the URL link below for more info and grab your Heartstring acoustic guitar today.